What's up you guys? So it's a different kind of a setting today and we are sitting with the nature right now. You can see lovely, this is my sister's room anyways, so she likes all the jazz of all these things anyways. So I thought it would be great that today we'll just switch the scenario. Anyway, so today we are talking about my current skincare favorite products. So I will tell you two of my best favorite products, and those are from Amaf Herbarian. You guys know her. If you don't know her, I will link everything in the description for you to see and check out her page and all that stuff. So how it has helped me. Now first let me tell you that today I think it's for the first time or something, I am not wearing any makeup right now, and just wearing a lip, just mascara and lashes, and looking pretty good right there. Anyways, what are they saying? I'll tell you guys what are the claims of the product, and at the end of the video I will tell you guys that if those claims are right or wrong. So this says that the benefits are locks moisture into the skin, nourishes and hydrates skin, rejuvenates skin texture, brightens. So saffron rose mist, this mist possesses therapeutic properties. That's correct. I won't like, it's like I am telling myself not to give the review right now. Just stay calm, Kanza, stay calm. Just read. It contains a blend of oh god, I'm not for, let's just keep it here and then talk. I think that's better. So guys, now Kanza from the past will tell you and show you how I use these products, what they do for me, and at the end we will talk about if the claims are right or no. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Thank you so much, Kanza from the past. And now I am, you guys, without any makeup. I have not even done my brows, so just excuse me, and nothing on my face yet, and you can see my skin has improved. Yay, that's good. So now I live skin test. So on the skin menu today is, you guys know that it's saffron gel, saffron and rose toner mist with 24 karat gold elixir from Amaf Herbarian and Herbarium. Sorry, I always pronounce her name wrong, but like I have come to this conclusion that every single day, every freaking single day, I use these two things, and I'm just giving you right now my little bit of a review that I am falling in love with these two particular products from her. And this one is I'll just show you guys. This one is Day Goddess from her, and this one is the saffron and rose mist. I freaking love the formula of these two, you guys. I can't even tell you how and what the hell this is, because this is something I think I haven't tried something like before, like as compared to this one. So I'll just go from the single product itself. So first things first, I don't know, for some reason this dropped when this came, and this thing stopped working, the spray. So yeah, so that's my mistake totally. So I just open this up. First I'll shake this up, and then I open this up, see, like take whatever is in there, keep it, take the bottle. You won't have to do this, guys, but because obviously you will get a nice bottle. This is just my fault, and I'm just, you know, baby, what are you doing? And my cat is also excited with this. So I'll just, you know, take a little amount. You can see, you guys, it's so good. The smell, it smells heavenly, you guys. It smells so good. So usually when this used to, you know, like if my spray was working, then what I will do is spray it on and just stab the product in, and this gives such a soothing effect to your skin, you guys. I can't even tell you guys. First thing, I really like the formula, the mix of saffron and rose. And saffron and rose personally are one of my favorite ingredients. You might have seen me talking about saffron a lot. I do have one, I'll show you guys, the rose spray as well. Like I love saffron and rose ingredient, and if it comes in a bottle like this, like a single bottle, what's best than that, guys? I freaking like fell in love with this because firstly it doesn't, you know, makes my skin oily, it refreshes my skin, it also helps. I don't know, for some reason these two together have been, you know, taking care of my acne, and the acne which is coming on it, like it's not, nothing is coming. So I think it's helping my acne not aggravate more, awakens my skin, and like I can't even tell you, you guys can see my skin, you guys. So whatever I suggest you guys, you can see it on my skin. And yeah, I used to have a very bad skin. If you guys know my skin journey, then you would know that, yeah, this is like my recommendation to you. Definitely go for this one. Now let's talk about this and let's apply it, and I'll just tell you guys, like I'll show you guys first how it looks. So this is a serum, you guys, in a cream form. So I really loved the idea, and I really love the formula it has. Like, look at that. So you apply it, and the fragrance, I'll tell you guys what it smells like. Have you ever been to a pan shop? It smells exactly like a pan shop, pan and all that stuff. And I don't know about you guys and your preferences, but I really love the fragrance which comes to the pan shop, and like the fragrance of pan in general. I freaking love it. And don't kill me, the owner, I'll tell you honestly, when I applied this for the first time, I did not like it. That's the honesty. And yeah, that's the honesty. I did not like it, you guys. You know why? Because I thought that everything is going inside my skin, it's not nourishing my skin. So I don't know what the hell is this doing, and like what's the use. Then when I apply, but I thought, like, obviously I apply and give a product a time of 1 or 2 weeks so that I know what exactly is happening with my skin. Then I applied it. The second day I liked it a little bit, then the third day I like it a little better. Then like after, you can see, 5-6 days, it started working wonders for my skin. I can't explain you in like how it did it, but firstly the fragrance, it's really calming. I told you guys, the fragrance of these two, like I literally wake up in the morning and I wish like, oh, I have to apply this. So it's like the excitement I get. The smell of this is amazing. Secondly, what I have noticed is that first it will dry your face, like I don't know it will dry or what, but it will not moisturize your face. But then your skin gets used to this formula. Then what happens is it actually goes inside your skin, nourishes it, and provides you with moisture, but not an oily one. And I have an oily skin, so I really love the formula that it certainly moisturizes your skin, but also it doesn't leave any oiliness on your skin. So I really like the effect of that. And I told you guys, with these two things, I don't know, something is happening with my skin. It is looking more refreshed, and also my acne, wherever it comes, it calms down, and it is helping me not get the acne. I don't know if this is like, this is the thing it does. Okay, this is the thing it does, but it's fab. So I give this one the Day Goddess multivitamin serum. Like highly recommend everybody to use it. And you guys know that I don't give a dark chocolate to a lot of things, but these two things are a dark chocolate for me. Firstly, I thought that I'll give just dark chocolate to this one, and this one will go under black coffee, but I simply cannot resist it. Every morning I used to apply this. This is a must for me. Then I thought that I'll skip this one and try something else, but this is like again irresistible to me, so had to go under a dark chocolate. These two things are a dark chocolate for me. You can see my skin, and I don't know, it gives me glow, it gives me nourishment. Then I don't know why would anybody not use these things. So I am linking the person's Instagram handle from where you can order these things, and if you choose to order it by watching this review of mine, please go and tell her that do tell her that you have come from this video, so that, you know, I'll feel happy that more and more people, you know, got help because of my skin review. Guys, do share it with someone which wants an Amaf review and wanted to see these effects and all. And I will see you all in my next video. Let me know in the comment section what other products you want me to review on this channel. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.